Hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about the types of viruses. So as you can see, these are some of the types of virus. So the first one is boot sector virus. And what is this? So a boot sector virus places itself instead of MBR. So MBR stands for the master boot record, and whenever you open your system, so whenever you press the power button in your laptop or your system, what it's going to do, the MBR is going to load first, and MBR helps in the booting process. So in order for your system to boot completely and in order for your system to open, MBR has to load it first inside RAM, and then it will check all the booting process and your system will open. So what this boot sector virus does, it will place itself instead of MBR. So instead of MBR, it will replicate itself, it will place itself, and whenever you turn on your PC, whenever you turn the power button inside your PC, in your PC, the instead of MBR, the virus will load first, then the MBR will load, and then your system will open. So there might be a chance your system will open or your system might not open. So this is a boot sector virus. So it infects the boot loader. And if we talk about the second type of virus, which is file virus, so what does it do? So it comes with a .exe file, and when we execute that .exe file, in the background, the file will also get executed. So there might be a chance that your whenever you download any free software, so there will be a virus attached with the software, and when you install that software, when you execute that software, the software will be executed and will work fine, but in the background, the virus will get executed. So this is file virus. Macro virus, so they mainly target MS Office, and they are written in VBS, so Visual Basic Script, and they specifically target any MS Office software. So what they do, they replicate, so or say they imitate the all the MS Office versions. So like if you when you open MS Word, instead of original MS Office, the modified version or the malicious version of MS Office or MS Word or MS PowerPoint is going to open. So every time when you open MS Office or MS Word or any MS Office tool, the malicious version of software will be executed. So that is macro virus. Cluster virus, so it ties itself with any executable, and whenever we open the .exe file, the virus get executed. So as you know, cluster virus, as I already explained you, and stealth virus, so it try to hide and avoid being detected by antivirus. So these are also called fully undetectable virus, so FUD, and what they do, they try to hide themselves in order to be undetectable by antiviruses. So logic bomb, so they are logic bombs are like a time bomb. So when like in a time bomb you will have a hour, minute and second. So if you set like 10 minutes, so the time bomb will explode after 10 minutes. So similar thing is logic bomb. So in logic bomb you can set a specific date and a specific time, and it will execute at a given date and time. So if you set a date like 10th of February and the time is 12 a.m., then at 10th February at midnight in the 12 a.m., the logic bomb, this virus will get executed inside any system. So encryption virus will encrypt itself to avoid identified by the antivirus. So they also used as the you can use these to create undetectable virus, so which can bypass antiviruses. Metamorphic virus, so they can be able to change its code and signature in order to be undetectable. So their purpose, their purpose are same. So they all want to be undetectable, and to be undetectable, to be unidentified by the antivirus, they use some different methods. And if we talk about shell virus, so shell virus will execute inside a shell. So it will just the shell virus will be inside a shell, and shell is the deepest part of the operating system. So it is really hard to identify, and it's really hard to remove this type of virus. So it's a very dangerous. So this is called shell virus, and it will place itself inside a shell. So yeah, that's a shell virus. So these are the types of viruses. So yeah, that's it for this video.